In this video, I gonna clean my dirty gaming keyboard after almost 5 months of gaming and games without cleaning. So in this video, I gonna clean it. I gonna find a way to clean this dirty keyboard. So I hope you enjoy the video and have fun. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna use a hair tongue to take off the keycaps because I didn't find my keycap removal tool. Honestly, I lost it. Even if I even if I have it, I'm not gonna use it because it scratches the keycaps. So I'm using a hair tongue. So now I have put the keycaps in this pail, and it was a yurt pail, honestly. So now I have put some liquid soap on the keycaps with some water, and then just like clean it. It's gonna make it clean. I will leave it for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes until I clean the rest of the keyboard. Bro, look at this. So dirty. You literally can find everything on my keyboard. Chocolate, food, water, everything. Okay, for now, I'm gonna use the vacuum cleaner to clean the keyboard, and then I'm gonna use something else to do the final cleaning of the keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna use it slowly. I don't want it to take any keycap, and I don't want it to take any switch from the keyboard. It's not that powerful, so don't worry about it. If your keyboard is like something um with good material, I don't think that it's gonna pull your switches from the keyboard. Okay, the last step, I'm gonna use the wet wipes to do the final cleaning. It's gonna make the keyboard clean and clean and more clean. Okay, so now the keycaps are ready. I'm gonna use a towel to dry it from the water. And then I'm gonna like put it on the keyboard and everything is done. Okay, guys, before I take off all the keycaps, I have to take a picture of the keyboard to know where is every keycap placed on the keyboard to find it easily. And this is how it was look like before I clean it, and this after. Look at this, man. Very clean, too clean. Oh, I literally can see the lightning on the keyboard right now. I can see the RGB. Thank you everyone for watching and have a nice day.